I don't know what kind of bird this is, but it's been hanging around the apartment. It just flew away. Been hanging around the apartment this morning. It was on over there, and then it was. I got some pictures of it with my flag, my welcome flag, sunflowers and butterfly. Garden flag, and I got some pictures with that, and it was on the burning bush shrub here too, but it flew away, so I didn't have my camera out. Today is Thursday, Thursday, May 25th, and it flew away. I don't know where it went now, the bird, but it'll be back because I think there's some crows up there. They're going to go after probably the birds, small birds, but it's over there. The crows went over there, so I don't know. There's one coming, focusing on it. I don't know where it went now. I can't focus it with looking through the camera at the same time, but there's one way there at the top of that tree, right there. You can see it right there. There's a crow. There's one flying. The tree was taken down across the street. There used to be a maple tree there. There was one in the back too, back of the duplex. So wonder if the bird will come back. I don't know what kind of bird that was, but it looks like a robin, but I don't think it was a robin. It's about 2:45 p.m. right now in Port Huron, Michigan, Eastern Time. So I'm going to say goodbye. Bye. Well, maybe I'll go. Maybe I'll come back. I don't know. I won't say goodbye yet. Anyways, I'm going to post some pictures of the bird. And maybe somebody will find out, or let me know if they know what kind of bird it is. But this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. And looks like there's a jet over there flying all south, so it'd be south. See, that's west. And let's see it focus on over there. Jet stream, you can see the jet stream. Let's see, where is it now? It's kind of hard to focus it when looking through I can see it for my, looking away from the camera. There's, I think that's it. It's kind of hard to focus it. Get an idea where the tree line is and go above. But there is a jet up there flying. It's pretty far away, so you probably can't see it when I zoom in. Anyways, birds and jets. That's today, birds and jets. Let's see, where was I standing before? And this is looking west, and this is looking east towards Canada, and that's looking south, and behind me is north. So anyways, Like I said, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, May 25th, 2023, and looking at the clock right now, it's going on, it's about 2:50 p.m. Eastern Time in Port Huron, Michigan. Maybe I'll focus on the sign there. There's the street sign, the yield sign and the street sign, Continental and